no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a foyer DIY. So I bought these mirrors, and it's 4 of them, a total of 4. I bought 4 mirrors from Walmart for $7. I am going to hang them going across this way. I'm going to put them next to each other, and then I'm using tape, hangers tape. So let's get started. Okay guys, so right now I am going to turn all of the mirrors around towards the back so I can add the picture tape. It's like a hanging tape that I'm going to attach to the back of the mirrors. I am going to peel off the stickers on the mirrors, and I'm going to clean the mirrors last. So I'm just basically getting them lined up and getting them ready to hang. So I grabbed this evasive tape from Walmart. It's made for pictures and it holds up to 6 pounds. I used 2 on each mirror and it did not work. So I had to go back to Walmart and I found this Scotch Extreme tape, evasive tape that holds up to 30 pounds. This did work, so I was able to add 4 pieces of the tape to the mirror and hang the mirror safely on the wall. It did not slip or slide, it did stick. So I was able to successfully finish the DIY by adding the evasive tape to all 4 mirrors and hanging them against this wall. Alright you guys, this is the final look of the 4 mirrors. They look absolutely gorgeous. I paid $7 for each mirror, so this DIY cost me less than $30, you guys. And it looks so elegant to me. It actually makes the hallway or the foyer area look a little wider, and I'm just so happy with it. All right, you guys, for DIY number 2, we are going to be making tables. So I purchased this ready mix concrete patch from Walmart. I have 14 plastic bowls from Dollar Tree. I have the 2 cake lids, and then I also have blackout spray paint that I bought from Walmart for about $3. Now I am going to take a plastic spoon and I am just going to add the ready concrete mix in 4 bowls, and I'm just going to put the concrete at the bottom of the 4 bowls just because I want the table to have some weight and be sturdy. Once I'm done adding the concrete to the bowls as my base. I am then going to get some Gorilla Glue that I also bought from Walmart. I'm going to go around the rim of each bowl to attach the bowls, and then I am going to stack the bowls to build the table.
I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers.
So now that the two tables are complete, I am going to use the blackout spray paint to spray them both down so they're completely black. I did do the high-low look on the tables, so I made one table short and one table tall. That was just the look I wanted to go for the foyer area. So I am going to just go ahead and spray paint both of them until they're both completely black.
We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it with a beating.
Here is the look of the two tables after I used the blackout spray paint. I was able to apply 2 coats on the tables and then I ran out of spray paint. So I went to Walmart and got the Rust-Oleum black, and I also saw this one, which is marble style. So I decided to do the full black on each table, and then I'm going to go back in with the marble style spray paint.
Baby, I
Alright, you guys, so this is the final look of the 2 side tables. I'll be using these in my foyer as decor. I absolutely love the marble style. I had to take my time with that white marble paint because it sprayed out like a spider web. And with it being windy out, you know, it was kind of spraying everywhere, but I feel like it covered the tables well and it looks absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? Leave your comments below. All right, you guys, so this is the third and last DIY for today. I am going to be making a planter vase for my foyer. I have a tree that I will be making a vase for. Now, right now, I am just cutting off the handles on each bucket. I got these buckets from Dollar Tree, and I am cutting as close as I can. This way, when I do apply the Gorilla Glue on the edge of each bucket, they will attach as close as possible without having a gap between the buckets. So next, I am going to take the Gorilla Glue and I am going to apply it on the bottom of one of the buckets. I am going to take the second bucket and stack it right on top, and I'm going to allow that to dry a bit. I am also going to take the Ready Patch cement and I'm going to place it in the middle of the bucket to give it some sturdiness and some weight, because I am putting a tree inside of it, so I want to make sure it doesn't tilt over or the tree does not fall out of it. I'm then going to take that Gorilla Glue and go around the edge. I'm going to allow that to just dry a little so I can get tacky, and I'm going to take that third bucket and poke. I originally was trying to poke a hole so I can cut around, but I put too much force and the bucket split on the side a little. So I took scissors just so I can go ahead and completely cut out that top part. I took the Ready cement patch and I went around the sides and also the areas where the bucket was split to clean it up and to kind of repair it. Now I am going to take the Rust-Oleum black spray paint and I'm going to spray the entire bucket black. Once the entire vase is black, I am then going to go in with the white marble spray paint and I am going to spray paint that the marble look to match the 2 end tables that are all going in the foyer area. You have my heart and soul. You played it to the beat. You guys, so this is the final look of the vase planter. I absolutely love it. It came out great. It matches the 2 side tables perfectly, and I just can't wait to put it in my foyer now. I did go in with the black spray paint and I spray painted the inside just to give it a more cleaner look, because before it was white and then it had the cement. I didn't like that look, and with it being all black, it just looks nicer. And I'm showing you guys right now the things I got from Dollar Tree. I got this welcome sign and I also got some flowers for decor for the foyer. I am now putting everything together for the foyer. I put the tree inside of the planter and I'm now stuffing bags so that I can add top filling in that planter. Guys, so this is the final reveal of the foyer area along with those DIYs that we just completed, the 2 side tables as well as that vase planter. These were so easy to do. They were so fun. It didn't take much time or money. So if you guys want to do these, definitely I encourage you to do them to save some money. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching again. Bye.
Sothandwela mbona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena mbona wena wedwa ngisothandweni la bona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu baby ngisemathandweni